Dear student of class 9, I am going to teach you chapter 4, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. Before coming to exercise and examples, first of all I want to give you the explanation of the two words axioms and postulates. These are universal truth statements, but they are not proved. Whereas theorems are proved statements. Straightway, I am starting from example 1. Okay, one more sentence, one more word, segment. What is this segment? It is a definite length between 2 points. 2 points. That is segment. Suppose this is A and B. This is a line segment. Example 1, you say, if a point lies between point A and B such that AC is equal to BC, then prove that AC is equal to half of AB with figure. So figure I am drawing here. See, I am drawing the figure A, B, and I am putting a line C in between such that AC is equal to BC. Proof. AC is equal to BC given to you, right? AC is equal to BC is given to you. What I am going to do is I am adding AC both sides. Adding AC both sides. Thus it becomes what? AC plus AC is equal to BC plus AC. This is 2 times of AC is equal to BC plus AC. BC plus AC is equal to AB. Therefore, AC is equal to how much? Half of AB. This is truth. Next example I am going to show you is, here I want to tell you one thing. Before starting this class, you take your textbook, notebook and pen with you. It will be helpful to you. Example 2. C is a midpoint on AB. C is a midpoint on AB. Prove that every line segment has one end and only one midpoint. Proof. I am drawing one line segment AB and C is the midpoint it is given to us. I am putting this as C and I am taking one more midpoint D. I don't know whether it is possible or not. So let us see. Let the line segment has 2 midpoints. C and D. Therefore, AC is equal to half of AB, because C is the midpoint, then AC and BC must be equal. AC is equal to BC, C is midpoint on AB. Also, AD is equal to C. D is midpoint. We have taken, let D be midpoint. D is midpoint means AD is equal to BD. That is, AD is equal to half of AB. It is because AD is equal to BD, since D is midpoint on AB. Since this is 1 and this is 2. You see, from 1 and 2 what you are getting? This is half AB, this is half AB. These two are equal, then definitely AC is equal to AD. From 1 and 2, AC is equal to AD, AC is equal to AD. How it will be? It is possible only if C and D are same point. Okay? This is only possible if C and D are same point. Hence a line segment has only one midpoint. Simply, generally you can also think, see, one straight line is given, then definitely there won't be more than one midpoint. There will be only one midpoint. Next we will see example 3. Example number 3. Example 3. If AC is equal to BD, prove that AB is equal to CD. And this is the diagram I am drawing. A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. It is given to us that AC is equal to BD, AC is equal to BD. You have to prove that AB is equal to CD. So proof. AC is equal to BD is given to us. So here C is a point on BD. Since C is a point on BD, therefore AC is equal to how much? AC is equal to, or I'll do it like this. See, AC is equal to BD. Given, subtracting BC from both sides. AC minus BC is equal to BD minus BC. AC minus BC is equal to AB. BD minus BC is equal to CD. Therefore, AB is equal to CD. Proof. This is easy. Clear? This part is you remove proof. Is it clear? Next we will see example 4. Example 4. Why axiom 5? Why axiom 5 from Euclid's axiom considered as universal truth? Solution. Axiom 5 states that the whole is greater than a part. The whole is greater than a part. I am drawing a line AB and I am putting a point Q here. Let the line AB is equal to 8 centimeter and AQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Hence the whole AB is greater than a part AQ. This is the solution. Example 5. Example 5. Example 5. How will you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate, Euclid's fifth postulate, so that it would be easier to understand. Answer. Two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to same line. This is your solution. Question number 6, let us see. Question 6. Example number 6. Does Euclid's fifth postulate implies the existence of parallel lines? Explain. Solution. Maximum are your textual questions. I am drawing two parallel lines and naming them H M and N. These are the two lines. Another line, this is falling upon it. I am naming it as L. Solution. If a straight line L, if a straight line L falls on two straight lines M and N, these two lines, it is falling such that the interior angles means these angles on the either side of L, on either side of L is two right angles, then they will not meet. So what we get is, so the lines M and N never meets. Means what? Means the lines are parallel. See, suppose I am drawing two straight lines. One example I am putting, two examples like this. Two lines are there. And I am putting a transversal like this. Now you see, definitely this angle and this angle, the sum of these two angles is less than two right angle. Whereas this side, the sum of this angle and this angle is greater than right angle, two right angles. Therefore, this side is less than two right angles, this two angle is less than two right angle. That means if you will produce these two lines, they will meet at a point. This two angles, sum of these two angles is greater than two right angles, so these two sides will never meet. And in this case, see, this sum is 180 and this sum is also 180. So this is not meeting this side also, and the lines are not meeting this sides also. That means these two lines are parallel.